Hello friends and welcome to my YouTube channel RD Excel. Today we are going to dive into the world of Microsoft Excel and explore all the essential sum formulas. Excel is a powerful tool for data analysis and understanding these formulas. Sum formula. Let's start with the most basic sum formula. The sum function allows you to add up a range of numbers quickly. We have the annual result where students got marks in different subjects and we want to get total marks. Click on the cell and type is equal to sum. Hit tab button and you can see the number 1, number 2 and so on in the bracket. That means selecting the range of cells. Close bracket and hit enter. That's it. And you can also drag the function in the other cells like this. Autosum. Excel also offers a convenient tool called Autosum. To use it, simply select the cell where you want to get total. Click on the Autosum button and Excel will automatically generate the sum formula for you. Hit enter. Here is the result. You can see it's a time saver. Sumif formula. Next, we have the Sumif formula. This formula is fantastic for adding up values that meet specific criteria. In our example, we have the sales data. If you want to get total sales of different categories, you will use it like this. Is equal to Sumif and hit tab button. Here you can see that there are three texts in the bracket: range, criteria and sum range. In our example, the range is B9 to B14, where the criteria is F9, and the sum range is D9 to D14. Close the bracket and hit enter. There you have it, my friends. Sumifs formula. Now let's take it up a slash with the Sumifs formula. It allows you to add up values based on multiple criteria. In the example, we have the sales data of different regions and products. If you want to total sales of different region and product, type is equal to Sumifs. Hit tab button. Here you can see that there are text in the bracket: sum range, criteria range 1, criteria 1 and so on. In our example, sum range is E9 to E28, criteria range 1 is C9 to C28, criteria 1 is G9, criteria range 2 is D9 to D28, criteria 2 is H9. Close bracket and hit enter. That's it. Here is the result. And if you change the criteria and range, you will get different result. This versatile formula can handle more complex conditions in your data. Sum product formula. Moving on, we have the sum product formula. It's a powerhouse for performing operations on multiple arrays and summing the results. In our example, we have the items, quantity and price. If you want to get the total amount of the cells, there are two ways to get the result. First way, get the total amount of each column like this. Select the cell, multiply the quantity and price by type the formula manually. In our example, C8 into D8 and hit enter. Drag the formula up to end and at the last get the grand total by using Autosum. And the second way, type is equal to sum product, hit tab button. Here you can see that there are texts in the bracket: array 1, array 2 and so on. In our example, array 1 is C8 to C20, and array 2 is D8 to D20. Close bracket and hit enter. That's it. The result is same in both ways. This formula is perfect for advanced calculations in your Excel sheets. That wraps up our exploration of essential sum formulas in Microsoft Excel. You need to perform accurate calculations. Thank you for joining us on RD Excel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more Excel tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, please comment below. Thank you, friends.